everyone, this is Rosie. Today, I'm going to explain the precautions for the harm reduction axle and the remain reducer or 鲁工 loader.
First of all, the interior of our drive axle is not circulating, and it's impossible to add the GL into the entire axle at one time. The GL must be added separately to the two hub reducers and the main reducer. Each hub reducer needs 2 liters, and the main reducer needs 4 liters, and each axle needs total 8 liters of heavy-duty vehicle GL5.
Kindly note that the GL shouldn't be added too much, just to achieve lubrication effect. If the value exceeded, the liquid resistance will increase, and the engine power will be lost and change to heat dissipated in the oil, and then leading to overheat and even damage for the user.